Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport in an Outer Banks trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have a sturdy cargo floor, and underneath of which you have your full-size spare with some extra room around it for other cargo. And you have your cargo lights, which you can articulate as you need them, as well as having these tie-down points with little lassos on them, and a 12-volt power outlet to the other side. Of course, you can always fold down the rear seats to give you more cargo room. And then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a partial cloth and ActiveX interior, I believe. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a USB, USB-C, and 110-volt power outlet down there. And the backs of the seats have zippered pouches with MOLLE rigging, so you can hook stuff onto there. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can look at your trip information, tire pressures, your radio, fuel economy, and then you can also go into other settings to look at your service info and stuff. Moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth, so you have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And above that, you do have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. And moving down, you have your media controls, as well as your hazards and your auto start stop shut off. You have this little cubby beneath that, and then further down you have your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel so you can stay warm. Below that you have a wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge, as well as having a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there too. Then you have your main shifter here on a dial, very convenient. Parking brake, brake hold, two cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have your center compartment / armrest with another USB and USB-C inside, so you can plug something in from there. And last but not least, you do have a power moonroof up top, so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111, and have a nice day.